Good morning, dear students. Let me welcome the 8th class students to this session of English 2. And in today's class, we will continue to discuss with the chapter called Some Special Usages. Dear students, last class we did discuss about some special usages, and today's is the second period of the same chapter. And before going to understand about the today's discussion, let's have a little concentration. And for that, please sit Siddha with Dhyana Mudra and with closed eyes, have Brahmanath. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Relax. Dear students, you understood today our topic, some special usages, and today's period is the second period. Today, we will discuss something more about the special usages. And last class, we did discuss about much, many, and a lot of and their uses. Today, we will have a new discussions, but related to some special usages. Today, we will discuss about to, also, as well. Okay, and the differences in use among them. That will be the discussion today. Besides this, we will also discuss the exercise 22. Okay, let me write something on this board so that we can better understand. Okay, dear students, as I have told you, today we will discuss about the uses of to, also, as well. Normally, whenever we come across with all those words, these words seems to be similar in meaning. But the difference among them is the uses and the locations and positions in our statement. So therefore, to understand them, we have written some sentences. Please just see them and try to understand. You see, study the following sentences. Let's study these following sentences. First is given, I have also got one like that. Here you see, we have used also at the middle of the sentence and before the main verb. Understand? So you see, same thing we can also write in the second sentence. You see, I have got one like that too. Here we have used this too at the end of these sentence. Okay, so similarly, next you see, I have got one like that as well. So from these three sentences, we understood that also is used at the middle of the sentence and before the main verb. But as far as to and as well are used not at the middle of the sentence but used at the end of the sentence. Okay, you understood? So you see, here also is a very formal use of to as well. All to as well and also have the same meaning. Okay, it talks about in addition to. It talks about more. Understand? So let's study the other such sentences given in number 2 and let's understand something more. She has 2 dogs. She has 2 dogs and also a cat. You see, after this also there is no verb, but it is used at the middle of the sentence. So she has 2 dogs and a cat too. But here too is used at the end of the sentence. But remember, we can use also before a main verb. But if there is a be verb there, and be verb is functioning as a main verb, then also will be used after the be verb. Remember that example we will discuss. But here you see, she has 2 dogs and also a cat. She has 2 dogs and a cat too. She has 2 dogs and a cat as well. So in both those examples we did discuss right now, also is used at the middle of the sentence before the main verb, and to and as well are used at the end of the sentence in both the examples. So from these examples we did understand both also, to, as well all have the same meaning. Also is used at the middle of the sentence before the main verb, but to as well are used at the end of the sentence in both those examples we discussed right now over here in the form of these examples. Okay, the main rule is over here that also is used before a main verb in our sentence at the middle of the sentence, but it also can be used after a main verb if that main verb is a be verb. Understand? But they always used at the middle of the sentence. Okay? So let me write something more so that you can understand more with the examples. Here you see, also, no doubt, also, to, as well, all have the same meaning, and we understood that also is used at the middle of the sentence before the main verb, and if the main verb is a be verb, then after the main verb we use also. That example I will give you. But to and as well are used often at the end of the sentence. For more information, also is used in very formal English, whereas to as well used in informal as well as in spoken English. For that, let me write an example. Okay? See, we understood that also is very formal and to and as well are informal and normally used in our day-to-day conversations, interactions, and particularly in spoken English. So here I have given you an example, you just read how to as well are used informally and also used formally. From these examples, you see, I have read the book. I have read the book and I have seen the film too. Or I have seen the film as well. We can write. Similarly, when we use also, how we can write that? I have read the book and I have also seen the film. You see, as per the rule, also is used at the middle of the sentence and before the main verb. Okay? Understand? So this is how we can use also to as well in our sentences. Normally, we understood also is used at the middle of the sentence and before the main verb. To and as well are used at the end of the sentences. They are informal. They are also used normally in spoken English. And as well is very colloquial and particularly used in spoken English mostly. Understand? Let's discuss the exercise over here so that we will have clear understanding about the use of to also as well. Okay? Let's discuss. Let me write so that you can better understand. Dear students, let's understand the exercise 22. What it says, what instruction is given to us to do with these statements given written on the board from the exercise 22. It says, rewrite the following sentences. The following sentences we need to rewrite. What doing? Replacing also by to or as well. Replacing also, we will replace also, in place of also, we will use to as well. Understand? Either to or as well. You see, the first sentence is given over here. Mary has also gone away. Mary has also gone away. What we will do? We can write to or as well in place of also. We will write Mary has gone away. Mary has gone away to or as well. We can write like this. Mary has gone away to or Mary has gone away as well. Understand? So we did not write also. We have used to or as well. So similarly see the next sentence. What it says? My youngest daughter can also swim. So here it also. What we will do? My youngest daughter. My youngest daughter can swim as well. Can swim as well. My youngest daughter can swim as well. Or we can write swim too. We can write too as well. Okay? Either or. So similarly, we have also been, here Ari means it is talking about have. Apostrophe Ari sometimes is functioning as are, sometimes functions as were, sometimes functions as have. Understand? We have also been there. What we will do? We have been there too or as well. We have been there too or as well. We have been there too or we have been there as well. Understand? So similarly, you see the next sentence. I was also in town on Monday. I was also in town on Monday. Understand? So here also is used in place of instead of using also we have to use to or as well. Understand how we will write it? I was in town on Monday too. I was in town on Monday too. Or I was in town on Monday as well. Understand? Either we can write when we are using to or as well. You can see this, it is to or as well. Similarly, number 5 you can see, can we also come? Can we also come? What it will be? Can we come too? Or can we come as well? We can write like this. Can we come? Can we come too? We can write like this. Or can we come as well? Can we come too? Can we come as well? Understand? So this is how we have rewritten those sentences used also without using also. We used to as well at the end of the sentence, and we understood that also is used at the middle of the sentence before the main verb, whereas to as well are used at the end of the sentence. Here are some other sentences. Let's write and understand. Okay? Here you see some other sentences of exercise 22 still written over here, where we will rewrite using to as well instead of using also. Okay? Let's understand. Have you also read the Ramayana? Have you also read the Ramayana? Here is the question mark. Have you also read the Ramayana? What we will write over here? We will not write also. We will use to as well. You can write have you read the Ramayana? can use as well question mark. Instead, have you read the Ramayana too, or have you read the Ramayana as well? If we did not use also. You must also watch this suspense. So what we will do? You must watch the suspense. Suspense too, or as well. You must watch the suspense too, or you must watch the suspense as well. Similarly, next, did you also go and see your grandmother? Did you also go and see your grandmother? What do we write? Did you go and see your grandmother too, or as well? Question mark. Did you go and see your grandmother too? Did you go and see your grandmother as well? So we have used to or as well instead of using also. Let's understand the next. The fruit crops are also good this year. So also is here used after the be verb. You see here are is the be verb, and as per the rule I have told you that also often used before the main verb, but here are which is a be verb but functioning as a main verb. Therefore, in accordance to the rule, we have used also after this be verb. This is the only difference. You see, the fruit crops are good this year too, or as well. The food crops are good this year as well. The food crops are good this year too. We can write like this. Let's understand the next statement. Can I also go to the theater? Can I also go to the theater? So here you have seen, you see this also is used over here. We can use can't. Can't I go to the theater too, or as well? Question mark. Can't I go to the theater as well? Can't I go to the theater too? Understand? So here from these statements which were given using also, we have rewritten the same sentences using to or as well. Understand? There are some other sentences still there in this exercise. Let's discuss them. Okay? Here you see two more other sentences from the same exercise is written over here. What is written? We have to replace the also using to as well. Here also using also, we have to replace with using to or as well. Now read what is given in this sentence. Here is given, there are also many dangers on land. On land, there are also many dangers. Understand? What do we write? There are many dangers. There are many dangers on land too, or as well. There are many dangers on land as well. There are many dangers on land too. Understood? So we have used to or as well instead of using also. Similarly, you see, you can have your cake and also eat it. You can have your cake and also eat it. Understand? So you see, what do we do? You can have your cake and eat it can have your cake and eat it too. You can have your cake and eat it as well. Understand? So, dear students, today we discussed how in the exercise 22 the statements have been rewritten using to as well, where also is used in those sentences. Sentences had also, we rewrote those same sentences in the exercise 2 using to as well. And I'm sure you understood from the discussions today about the use of to as well also. And I have told you that also is very formal. To as well are little informal and mostly used in spoken English. But being a student, we should understand all. And we understood the use of to as well also from these statements given in this exercise. I am sure you did understand. If you have any problem, any misunderstanding, please personally call to me. I am here to answer all your questions and clear all your doubts. I will be happy if you call me to clarify your doubts. And for today, only this much. And in next class, we will learn something more about some special usages. Okay? And for today, only this much.